Hi, my name is Rubio, and as many of you already know, we have a unified sports team. And on last week on Thursday, they showcased some of their skills against CDO. And we caught up with the head of delegations for the unified sports teams, Ms. Johnson and Ms. Dickinson, for more information.
Hi, this is Ms. Johnson. I'm the head of delegation for Special Olympics here at Amphi High School. Last Thursday, our unified basketball team played against CDO, and some of you were able to come out and cheer us on, and Amphi won both of the games. And on Friday, we were honored with a unified banner from Special Olympics talking about our school being a unified campus and a champion school because we have included our students in athletics, in clubs, and in many different ways on campus.
Hello, I'm Kim Dickinson. I'm here to talk to you about the unified sport and the banner that we won. Pretty much the main thing with the unified sports is trying to include everyone, everyone with special needs and people without the special needs.
Ms. Johnson is looking for more volunteers this semester and next year to participate in more sports like tennis, bowling, volleyball, and etc. So if you are interested, contact Ms. J in room 212. Thank you, fellow Panthers.
Hey Panthers, did you know that we had Tom Bones Malone, a famous jazz artist, and that our own Funky Panthers got to perform with him at the Foothills Jazz Fest? And last Friday, he was here working with our own jazz band.
So starting in 2019, the bookkeepers in the bookstore have decided to decorate the display case to a specific theme for every month. There will be a raffle every month for the items that are found inside the display case. The raffle will be drawn at the end of the month, at the end of every month, and the winner will be announced. So go into the bookstore and enter into the raffle.
Wow, I wonder what electives to take this year. So many to choose from.
Whoa, where did this come from? Oh my God.
Hey, I'm Mr. Schneider, and I teach computer science here at Amphi. I think you should take computer science because it's creative. Like, you might think computer science is just like typing on a keyboard all the time, but like, we make stuff. And any project you do in this class is going to be totally unique and totally your own and totally different from anyone else.
Here at Amphi, we offer French, Spanish, and sign language. If you take 2 years of the same foreign language, it will meet your college requirements to get in and be all happy about that.
If you want to take automotive, the beginning class, you'll actually work on cars. You'll learn how to change tires, change oil, batteries, that kind of like maintenance.
Hi, I'm Miss Weber. I'm the art teacher here at Amphi. We have intro art, which we cover drawing and painting the first semester and then clay the second semester. We also offer intermediate and advanced ceramics, which is a really fun class, and 2D art. We're also going to try to offer AP art history next year.
Band, a marching band during marching season, and jazz band, beginning band, which is actually really cool. Also, I have tech theater and drama class.
This is Destiny from the Amplify News crew. In digital media, we focused on visual literacy. This is the idea that since visual images make up so much of our lives, it can influence us and the people around us, that we should understand how they are made and their impact.
Panthers! So, do you know the reason why we have Pep Assemblies at school? Well, part of the reasons why we have Pep Assemblies at school is because it's a fun way to get students to interact more with the whole student body and get to see all the clubs that are performing. You know, it's a great way to just, you know, enjoy a show for like an hour and just, you know, be part of the school. It's a great way to raise up school spirit. That way, it's just one day to relax and just enjoy yourself and have fun at school.